Yeah, super cute. But you're not gonna wear that, are you?
Yeah, I thought I would wear this cute little dress so I can take some pictures for Instagram.
On our nature walk?
Yes.
Okay, no. It's cold outside. You're gonna have to change that whole outfit. What you wear to a nature walk is very important. It should be tailored to the specific area and weather you are experiencing for that day. For example, if the weather is cold and rainy, it would be important for you to bring a secure hood that is waterproof and proper boots for walking through muddy areas. For our walk, we will be visiting an area with some hills but has a defined trail. It may get a little windy and has a chance of snowing. With me, girl. Oh, some of these trees even have leaves on them still. I think that one is a hickory, and I think that one over there is an oak. Jasmine!
Hold up, I'm sorry.
You're not even paying attention.
Let me call you back. I'm sorry.
We are in a place of nature, and we are literally standing on top of thousands of creatures' homes, and you just walked in on your cell phone, talking loudly, and you didn't even pay attention. How would you feel if I came to your house and just walked in the door talking loud on my phone and didn't even acknowledge you?
You know what? You're right. That is rude. I don't want to do that. I'm sorry. I wasn't being respectful.
All right. Here's some rules for a nature walk. 1. Stay on the trail. 2. Don't disturb the homes of the wild. 3. No littering. And 4, do not eat anything that you are not familiar with. So let's do an exercise. It's called learning to look. I want you to stand exactly where you are. And from your point of view, I want you to try and gather all the information you can as possible in 15 seconds. Using your eyes, your ears, your hands. Remember all the different shapes, smells, and sounds. Once that 15 seconds is finished, close your eyes and describe to me all that you've experienced. Ready, go. Do you remember what you saw?
I'm really happy I came out today. I was a little nervous, honestly. I heard there was coyotes in the woods.
Well, there are a lot of different wild animals in the woods, but we usually wouldn't see them. We would mostly only see like their animal tracks. Most of those animals are crepuscular, so they're really only active at dusk or dawn.
Oh, and animal tracks? You mean like the prints in the snow or the mud?
Yeah, they're footprints.
Footprints are like human fingerprints. We can identify the animals by the size and shape their prints leave. Many animals such as skunks, snakes, groundhogs, and even bees hibernate in the winter months. They crawl or fly into their homes in September or October and don't come out until spring. Foxes and rabbits are actually crepuscular animals and do not hibernate in the winter. If you can find a good source of food, usually you can find the evidence of wildlife.
If we can find a good source of food, then maybe we can actually find the animals.
Ooh, let's try and find some food because I really want to see a fox. Let's see.
source of food for all different types of animals.
Wow.
That's called viburnum. There are like 150 different types of viburnum.
150?
Arrowwood, highbush cranberry, blackhawk, just to name a few.
Wow. It's like nature's